Hi, hello and welcome to my channel, and welcome colorful Veronica, because today I did something pretty colorful. So I love it. It looks great. I filmed a reel. It should be live pretty soon, or it should be already live when you are seeing this, but I did film this eye look. Today we are filming a speed review. I have some amazing products in here. So let's start with some hair products. This one is the Ouai Detox shampoo. I bought it in the Sephora VIB sale and it is a mini. It is lovely. I do have oily hair and this is pretty strong. So I can use this one like once per week. I'm usually washing my hair twice per week. It doesn't make my hair feel stripped, but at the same time it is pretty strong, so I just feel like my hair is clean. I don't know how to explain it, but it's great. So this one and the Olaplex shampoo are just amazing overall. Another hair product that I purchased, and again I'm annoyed, but again it was a sale and I was really curious about this one because a lot of people are talking about this one. It is a lot of people's favorite dry shampoo. It is from the Amika line. It is the Perk Up Plus Extended Clean Dry Shampoo. Is this one working? Yes. It is better than my Batiste. No. I mean, it is not stronger than the overnight one, but it doesn't leave any white cast. So is this one great? Yes. I do like it. At least I didn't spend my money on a bad product, but it's still not better than the Batiste one, and it is way more expensive than that one. I bought something else from Ouai. It is this one. I bought this one blindly, really. It is the hair and body mist from Ouai. It is the Saint Barts hair and body mist. I heard that this one is very, very loved, and I was too curious. And I like it, so that's great. It's not my favorite scent, but overall it is a nice scent, and for the summer months I cannot wait. This one will be maybe in vacation with me because it is 100 mils. I'm excited. So this one smells amazing. I'm gonna put the notes right here. It has some orange oil and that fruit pitahaya. I have no idea what that is. It looks like dragon fruit or something, but I don't recognize that name. Then it has some flower notes, and usually that is what I don't like. I don't like flowery perfumes, but just flowers with combination with something that I do like, which is amber and musk. I love amber and musk, so the base notes are really important for me. So because of that, I do enjoy this perfume body mist. It is great. I bought two others actually, so let's talk about those as well. I bought this one. I bought a kit at some point with most of the 7 Virtues perfumes, and the only one that I liked, it was Vanilla Woods, but this is Sandal Vanille, and I think this was not included in that. Maybe this one is newer or something, and I do like this one. It's great notes, so again, let me put them in here. A lot of just woody notes, and of course sandal, so that's that. But it has vanilla, which I do like, and the coconut milk, I do smell it. It smells like coconut and wood, and I love it. So it's great. I like it. I do like Vanilla Woods as well. I think I like Vanilla Woods just a bit more, but this one is great as well. And lastly, in this category, I purchased, of course I purchased this one. It is the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow. Are you surprised? I think nobody is surprised. I'm gonna buy all. I'm gonna buy all Kayali perfumes in these mini bottles because I love the mini bottles. At this point I am collecting most of them, and this one is delicious. Really, this in my opinion is not really a winter scent, so that's the only thing that I don't understand. Why is this one released right now? but it's yummy anyway, so it is what it is. We have some flowers in the top notes, then lemon. I love fruity scents, and this one has a lot of fruits, but it is fruits with something sugary. Sure, if you don't like gourmand scents, probably you will not like this one. It is marshmallow, strawberry, coconut, and orange blossom in the middle notes. And like I said, the base notes are the most important ones in my opinion, and this one has whipped cream, sugar, vanilla, musk, raspberry, and ambroxan. It is sugar, vanilla, and whipped cream. Wow, I love it. So let's start talking about some makeup, but first I want to talk about some tools, because this is my favorite bronzer brush. It is the Refer number 4, but I don't know if I got a bad one. I maybe should email Refer or something. I bought this one a pretty long time ago, and from the beginning it had this problem, but because the brush is so good, I just skipped over it. But right now it's practically unusable. I mean, I can use it, but it is so annoying, and the problem is that it is shading like crazy. I mean, I'm surprised that it has hairs on still, because it's shading like on my cheek, on my lap, everywhere. I do have hairs from this brush, and Refer is very expensive, and the quality of the brush, the handle, everything, it is great. And other brushes, I didn't have this problem with other brushes. The eye brushes are 11 out of 10. I think the eye brushes are my favorite from Refer, but I do have some blush brushes and the other brushes for the face in particular that are incredible. And because this was so annoying, I decided to try my best to find a replacement for it, which from the beginning it is a hard task. So I bought these two brushes. This is the Real Techniques number 103. As you can see, I try my best to find angled brushes. This one is too compact. I think this one could be a bronzer brush, but for a cream bronzer. So I'm gonna try this one with the Rare Beauty cream bronzer, maybe for a cream blush as well, could be nice. And then I bought this one, and this one is great. And this is the Zoeva 127. I just removed one hair from this one as well, but it is not shading. This one is okay. This one is lovely because it is angled, but it is a bit more, it's not that dense. This one is great, so this is my replacement. They are not really the same, but they look decently similar. This one it's smaller and I love it, but like I said, I'm a bit disappointed that it's shading this much. Then I bought a blush from Essence, and apparently I'm not learning anything from my bad experiences from the past. Essence doesn't know how to do blush or highlighter. That's it. So why I'm purchasing this, I have no idea. I'm wearing it today. The matte blush, it's fine. And I brought this one just to show you the comparison, because this highlighter from the trio from NYX, it is glittery. Let me show you the swatches so you can understand. So like I said, the NYX one, it is glittery. I hope you can see. But the NYX one is way smoother, and I'm sorry, this is unusable. So after this video, I will declutter this. Something else from Essence that I purchased that I actually do like, it is the Essence Soft Touch Duo eyeshadow, and I bought this one, a pretty neutrally one. This is great. It is affordable, it is nice quality, it is small, compact, it is perfect for traveling. Of course, this is not a duochrome or something, this is not the best matte out there, but it is like $3 or something. So it's better than the price, and I do recommend it, it is nice. Then I purchased this one. It is the Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Step 1 Primer. This one is nice, but I don't think it's better than the Benefit one. That one I do like more, the Benefit Professional Light. Overall, it is a nice product, it is doing the job. I just prefer the Benefit one, and sometimes this one, it was not looking the best on my forehead because I do have in here a bit of texture, so I will use it up, but I'm not gonna repurchase it in the future. I bought this one very randomly, and actually I'm not mad. This is the Milk Odyssey. I'm always trying to pronounce that and I can't, so you got it. It is the shade Werk Trip. And this is a lip oil, first of all. It's lovely, and in my opinion, it is lip oil gloss. I just wanted to say that it's not a classic lip oil. It's so nice. It is very plush on the lips, very shiny, very, I don't know, it looks like juicy lips in a tube. If you want juicy lips, this is great. Something else for lips, I bought 2 lip pencils. Actually, I don't know why I'm still purchasing lip pencils, but it is what it is. This one I was very curious to test. It is the Maybelline Lifter Liner. This is a bit too creamy for my taste. It is nice overall, I can use it and everything. It reminds me just a bit of the e.l.f. lip liners, but I think that one is even creamier, if not. This is a bit more long lasting as well, so it's better in my opinion, but just a bit too creamy overall. And on the other end of the spectrum, I have this one. I bought it because I purchased something else from MAC, and again they were having a sale, so because of that I bought 2 products. This is the lip pencil from MAC in Whirl, a very iconic shade. I'm wearing it today actually with the MAC Luster Glass that I have. This is good. I don't have anything bad to say, except maybe it is a bit too dry. So something in between this is what I do like. I think it is the driest pencil that I own. This one and the ABH, but the ABH is a bit creamier than this. Yeah, I can use it. It is okay. It looks nice, but it's dry. So just know that it is a good pencil, but if you like a creamy pencil, you will hate that one. And the other product that I bought from MAC, and very randomly I bought this shade. I think they didn't have the shade that I wanted, so that's the reason I purchased this one, but I'm not mad. It is a stunning brown, and I am very happy about the formula. It is of course the stick gloss, the gloss in a stick kind of formula. Everybody did this kind of formula, but this one is lovely because it is pretty sheer. It's not goopy, it doesn't have full pigment or something. I can put just a bit like this, tap it out, something like this, and I have a really nice brown lips. Or of course I can apply a bit more and have a bit more color, but it's lovely, and I really like that I can control how much product I have on my lips. Then I bought this one. It is the Revolution Juicy Peptide Lip Balm. I bought the ice shade, and this one is a bit holographic, but at least on the lips, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a white. It looks holographic when you are putting it first on the lips, but after that it's not anymore, which is great. So it is nice. I do like it. It is hydrating. It's not the most long-lasting product. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this one is cooling as well on the lips. This one is nice overall, hydrating and everything, but it's not my favorite product out there. It didn't impress me that much, but if you want a nice lip gloss from the drugstore, a nice lip balm, sorry, this one, it is pretty good. Then I bought this one. I went to Cyprus, and they had in the airport, they had a counter of Charlotte Tilbury, and of course I was looking a bit, and I really wanted to purchase this one for a long time, and it was the perfect timing. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is great. First of all, the sprayer is pretty aggressive. I didn't expect it. It is a nice sprayer overall, but a bit aggressive. But it is so nice. It is clearly, it is prolonging the wear of my makeup. But let me tell you, the Huda foundation with the Huda powder and this one, 12 hours of wear, it looked great. I played tennis as well and it still looked great, so a great combo. Let's end with some skincare. I have 3 products in here. This one is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast balm. This one, it's great. In the winter months, the skin on my hands is going bananas. It's so dry. My hands are getting irritated from everything, like soap, liquid soap, normal soap, any cream. But this one worked nicely. From time to time my skin is still irritated a bit, but it is great, hydrating and nice, and it is helping with dryness or stuff like that. Then I purchased this one, the Cerave facial moisturizing lotion. I was thinking that this is a new product. Apparently I'm very wrong. It's not new, but it's great. It is thin, just nice in the morning or in the evening. It's lightweight but hydrating. I do love the packaging. It has a pump, great packaging, great quality overall. It is a really nice, affordable a moisturizer. And I bought this one as well, the Glow Mud Mask from Pixi, Deep Purifying Mask. I am not agreeing with that. It is not deep purifying. It is a nice mud mask, but the one from You to the People is way stronger in my opinion. It is clearing my skin way better. This one is just nice overall. You can use it twice per week or something like that. The You to the People one, it is pretty strong, a bit drying even, but in a good sense. I just feel like my skin is clean. With this one, it's just a bit of help, not something that major. This was everything. I'm happy with these products. Most of them are really good, except stuff like this that I should not purchase from the beginning. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.